See, let me tell you, if you're a businessman in Biafra land, you're a businessman in Biafra land, and you feel you want to sell on Monday, I want to advise you on what you do now. Kindly pack your goods on Sunday evening. Enter a night bus that is going to the north or that is going to the Lagos. If you reach there the next day, you do your business. Understand what the people are doing. Nobody is preventing you from doing your business. But what the Biafrans are saying is this: there will not be any movement in Biafran land every Monday until our leader is released unconditionally. Understand what the Biafrans are doing. If you think you want to do business, you want to survive in your family, this and that, Monday, pack your goods, enter the next Chisco, the next GUO, the next Young Shagro. The next day you see yourself in Adamawa or Yola or Guzo or Taraba or Zaria or Lagos. You go there and do your business. Sheikh Gumi cannot be busy parading about in the zoo while our leader is in prison. It is not possible now. It is not possible. That country is not what this current state of the Igbos are coming to help you fix. We cannot fix it in this world. Do you understand? I know that this sit at home is hitting them hard. It's hitting them real hard. They are panicking. They are shivering. Listen to me. Those of you in channels, televisions, TV, doctored video, claiming they are Igbo youth. I wonder where they see the Igbo youth. I don't understand. Where are the Igbo youth again? What are we then? Where are the Igbo youth? Where are the Imo youth? Listen, they are playing state game. We have outgrown that stage. This is not the stage of Imo youth. The next week you will see other idiots. They will say that they are Abia youth. I don't understand. We don't believe in Imo youth. There is nothing called Imo youth in Biafra land. We are Biafrans. We are Biafrans under one command. Do you understand? There is nothing like these people come and tell you they are Imo youth. One idiot will now go and recruit their own in Bende. They will say it's Bende youth. Another idiot will go and recruit their own in Okigwe. They will say it's Okigwe. I don't understand. You people came late. We are wiser now. This is 21st century. We don't reason like idiots. Your reasoning is the reason why everywhere is so mess. We don't reason like you people anymore. Do you understand? So if that Igbo youth, they should have presidents. And now who is the president? You go and doctor the video. You paid one idiot. The idiot wearing Igbo economy a polo printed in Aba. And you are claiming that Owerri is the commercial hub, Imo is the commercial hub of East. I don't understand. Who born you? Onitsha that is doing well in the business shut down. About the same place you printed that polo. About the same place you printed that polo you are wearing. Everywhere was shut down. And you are, reclaiming commercial city. I don't understand. Kezimbo is a commercial city of the East. I don't understand. You came late, and the people picking you up to represent them are not even picking the intelligent ones. They are just picking morons. They are just picking fools. You wear one cloth, written whatever you wrote on the clothes. You come out, you started protesting. When Fulani herdsmen were busy killing your fellow Igbos in Benue, killing your fellow Igbos in Ebonyi State, how many times did you protest? How many times did you wear that same T-shirt, come out on Chinese television and tell the world that Igbos are being killed? How many times? When a reverend father was killed in Enugu, how many times did you protest? When your fellow Igbo youth, Igbo brothers was killed in were killed in high school lab, how many times did you protest? How many times did you protest? A Supreme Court governor will give you money. You come out on Chinese television. You wearing eyeglass. Edeka one retired palm wine known as Zungeru. Talking nonsense. A crippling of. I don't understand which Igbo economy. Our economy already. Where did you say the economy? Where is the economy? Idiot more. You are protesting. You are protesting against the seat at home. I don't understand. So all we're going to inherit every Monday. Kijina sustain over till this date. Don't understand. That chicken money you will make on Monday is the money that your family has been eating. Do you know how many Mondays are there in 4 months? Or should I say 3 to 4 months coronavirus? Do you know how many Mondays that are there? But you stayed in your house. You did not die. You stayed in your house for good 4 months of coronavirus. Do you know how many Mondays? Up to 14 or 16 Mondays. You stayed indoor. And you want to come and tell the world that Monday market is important to you because you are working under the payroll of APC. No worry. And after making noise that Monday, make sure you foolishly wear that clothes and come out on the street. You are claiming here is affecting the economy of the Igbo. Now, let me tell you something. You are living in Imo State, Abi. I want to believe you are vying for Imo State, a place you call Imo State. That time that fighter jets came to Olu, killing innocent people, how many times did you come out on Chinese television and tell the world that these people are innocent people, the fighter jet of the zoo are killed on daily basis? How many times? The whole hospital in this Imo State, Rochas Okorocha built hospital in every local government in Imo State. This man now governing Imo State knows too well that it's not Rochas money. This is Imo State money. Why can't he equip that hospital for the sake of the masses? He now abandoned those hospitals. Probably he's waiting for his tenure to end so that another person will come and rent the building for a nightclub. And you're in Imo State, claiming you are protecting the economy of the Imo State. Chineke Bogoko. You want to come and play state game. And this place is Imo State. You can't do us, I not understand which Imo State. Imo Nkanya. No, now that very day you Zuzuru, what should you put on the streets? Chineke Bogoko. In a Mehendi Imo State. Biafran land is going to be under lock and key. Chineke Meremebere. Under lock and key. No movement that very day. No movement. If you feel you want to sell, you pack your goods, you go to the north, you go to Taraba, you go to Adamawa, you go there and sell. On Tuesday or Wednesday, you start coming back. Don't come here and pollute anybody. We are whiter than white. We are now wiser today. We've known better. All of you criminals trying to paint a picture about the Monday sit at home. Why didn't all of you people come out on during the coronavirus and sell? Because you don't want to give IPOB the credit. IPOB is the reason why your mothers in the village are going to farm till this very, very day. If you don't know, let me tell you. They are the reason why you are still breathing. You're coming on Chinese television. That same idiotic Chinese television, I pray that now one day, stray bullets gather hand over it. You want to go out. Which economy? Did you have economy? Did you have economy? I want to know, do you have economy? FMC Muset Adreka Potro. Did you have economy? You have economy. Look at your life. Probably now the wife to your junior brother, government is still owing the person up to 3 or 4 months salary. You didn't talk about that one. They are crippling Imo State economy. Only Monday starts on we cripple Imo State economy. I don't understand. What is the economy? Chineke na Bogoko. Ogocha na eba ka na hunu enara ego na azopụta ruo na ezuzuare na ekwuri ko nyara. Sheikh Gumi, the leader of the bandits, is still busy parading in Abuja, parading in Uguzo, going about freely, negotiating with the zoo government. They are paying him huge amount of money. And your own blood is in prison. Your own flesh and blood is in prison. And you want to go and sell on Monday. Because you want to go and sell on Monday, I happy you will that very day, Buru tomato, you put a baby, Chineke Bogoko, Nkatara, the believe more. Because one governor gave you money at the back. He said, come out and speak against them. Come out and speak against them. Maybe their leaders in the north to China government has done. They will not paying people. Let me tell you, power belongs to the people. They can command Chinese television, command AIT, command whatever, command Punch, command Vanguard, command all of them, command Tribune. But they can't command the common man on the streets. We own our destinies to our hand. Our destiny is there, our hand. Do you understand? They can buy the whole media outlet in the zoo, but they cannot buy our soul. They cannot buy our spirit. Biafrans knows what they want. And we are still going to exercise it on Monday. If you don't like it, look for the nearby transformer.